Okay guys, welcome. So the next question now is top risks in crypto trading and how to handle them. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, do ensure what you like, comment and subscribe, and let me know where you are watching from, and drop me a thank you in the comment section. So quickly now, the first question is this: what is security? Why is security such a big concern in crypto trading? Now this is the answer. There is no bank protection if you get hacked. Then you move down to the next one, which is how often do crypto prices change compared to traditional markets? And this is the answer: much more frequently and with a large swings. And the last one is this: what is liquidity risks in crypto? And this is the answer: the difficulty of selling coins with